Today, we're diving into the much-anticipated DJI FPV-2, the next evolution in DJI's immersive first-person view, FPV drone experience. With enhanced features, improved performance, and unrivaled agility, this drone is set to redefine FPV flying. Stick around to find out why the DJI FPV-2 is a must-have for drone enthusiasts. And don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up and press the bell icon to Technify for your latest updates in tech and gadget reviews. The DJI FPV-2 takes the immersive FPV experience to new heights, building on the success of its predecessor. This next-generation drone combines cutting-edge technology, sleek design, and outstanding performance, all geared towards giving drone enthusiasts and professionals a thrilling aerial adventure. Let's break down the key features that set this drone apart. The DJI FPV-2 features a futuristic design, complete with a lightweight yet durable frame that enhances its agility and resilience. Its aerodynamic build reduces drag, boosting both speed and maneuverability. Customizable LED lighting not only adds a striking visual element but also improves visibility during night flights. With foldable arms, the drone is easy to transport, making it a great option for pilots on the go. Equipped with a 4K camera capable of shooting at 60 frames per second and a 1/1.7-inch sensor, the FPV-2 delivers impressive image quality with sharp details and vibrant colors. Its wide 155-degree field of view amplifies the immersive experience, capturing vast landscapes with ease. Advanced stabilization ensures smooth footage, even during high-speed maneuvers, while slow-motion recording and raw photo capabilities provide creative flexibility for any shooting scenario. The DJI FPV-2 is built for speed, hitting up to 100 km per hour in manual mode, making it a prime choice for racing enthusiasts. With 3 flight modes, normal, sport, and manual, it accommodates both beginners and experienced pilots. Its advanced stabilization system and precise controls guarantee seamless performance, whether you're racing or capturing breathtaking cinematic shots. The FPV-2 comes with the latest FPV goggles V3, delivering an ultra-low latency video feed with crystal-clear visuals. Featuring a 1080p resolution and 144 Hz refresh rate, these goggles offer an immersive, lag-free viewing experience. They're designed for comfort with adjustable diopters, ensuring a snug fit for long flying sessions without strain. Safety is a priority with the DJI FPV-2, which boasts an upgraded obstacle detection system. With forward, downward, and rear sensors, the drone can navigate safely through complex environments. The emergency brake and hover function allows the drone to stop instantly, preventing accidents. Plus, the Return to Home (RTH) feature ensures the drone returns safely in case of signal loss or low battery. Powered by a high-capacity 2,500 mAh battery, the FPV-2 offers a competitive flight time of up to 20 minutes, which is impressive within the FPV category. The battery supports fast charging, reaching full power in under an hour, reducing downtime between flights. With DJI's OcuSync 4.0 technology, the FPV-2 offers an impressive range of up to 10 kilometers. The advanced system ensures a stable, high-quality video feed, even in challenging environments, while anti-interference features maintain a reliable connection, allowing pilots to focus fully on their flight. The FPV-2 is designed with user-friendliness in mind, offering intuitive controls and an easy setup process for beginners. Advanced users can fine-tune the drone settings to match their preferences. The DJI Fly app provides a seamless interface for adjusting settings, viewing live feeds, and editing footage. The DJI FPV-2 is truly a game-changer in the FPV drone market. Its combination of high-speed capabilities, immersive visuals, and advanced safety features makes it an exceptional choice for drone racing enthusiasts, filmmakers, and adventurous hobbyists alike. Whether you're looking to capture cinematic shots or push the boundaries of high-speed drone racing, the FPV-2 delivers a thrilling experience like no other. And that wraps up our journey through the DJI FPV-2's incredible features. If you enjoyed this video and discovered some must-have gadgets, don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe to Technify, give it a thumbs up, and press the bell icon if you haven't already, so you don't miss out on our daily dive into the latest and greatest in technology. See you in the next video.